Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. If this is your first time joining us for Monday Morning Coffee, this is just a simple video about how my week's going to be going as far as videos and some chit chat once in a while. And of course, coffee. Gotta have Monday morning coffee. Well, to know a secret about me, I gotta have coffee every day. And I usually drink a pot of coffee every day. So, I'm also eating breakfast this morning, fried eggs and sausage. Got a late start this morning, but that's okay. I had a busy weekend and a lot of things going on, and yeah, so I slept in this morning. And you know what? I did it on purpose. I hope you all had a great weekend as well. And so, what is going on for this week? Well, you know, I don't know. No, I'm kidding. I do know, hopefully. So today I have the oil video that's going to come out this afternoon that was supposed to come out this past week. I had some technical difficulties with it, so I will get that up this afternoon. Hopefully that I'll get my technical difficulties worked out. If you've seen my other channel, which is hashtag my keto journey, I put up my meal planning video and my grocery haul for the week yesterday, and I used my new program on my laptop, not my laptop, but my tablet, and it worked beautifully. It does take some time to combine videos and stuff though. I'm still looking for an auxiliary cable that has like the little ends that you plug into your phone, and another little end that like you plug into the the tablet to transfer videos and stuff. So unless I can film it on my tablet, I can't put smashed videos together. But I did do that on my other channel. So if you've not watched that video, head over to hashtag my keto journey and check out what I got this week for my grocery haul and my meal planning for the week. I think I did fairly good. I usually shop at Aldi's, but my week was so hectic I had to go to Walmart. So I wound up spending a little bit more than I usually do for groceries for the week, but I still think I did pretty good. I did $38 for 2 weeks, so I think that was pretty good. And so go over and check it out. I'll leave that link below in the description box for you. And speaking of which, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that little red button down there. And make sure when you click it, the little bell will pop up and you tap the bell that has a hug so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. So for today, my daily devotion has already gone up, and we're having Monday morning coffee right now. And I will have the oil video, barring any more technical problems, this afternoon. And then on tomorrow, I do not have a Dollar Tree haul for you, but I do have a Dollar Tree DIY that I'm really excited about. So please make sure you tune in for that. And then on Wednesday, I do not have anything for Wednesday. On Thursday, I will have a card design Thursday this week because I did not have one last week. And Thursday night, for Thursday Night Live, I'm really excited about. I got a whole bunch of these little wax paper bags, and I have a project with them. So make sure you stay tuned and come back on Thursday Night Live for 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that means if you're in Central, it will be 6:15. If you're on the West Coast Pacific, it'll be 5:15. And if you're everywhere else in the world, I apologize. It's going to be late, but 7:15 is just the best time. It works for me. But if you don't get to join us live, please make sure you catch it on the replay. So on Friday, hopefully I will have a keto living for you on Friday. As I told you before, I'm trying to phase it out to put it on my other channel. But many of you who watch my keto living on Fridays have not gone over and checked out the other channel. And why not? Go over there and check it out. I put a lot more information on there. As a matter of fact, there will be a new video coming up on that channel either today or tomorrow, and it's 10 top hints to be successful on keto. So I do hope I'll go check that out as well. So that's pretty much my week in a nutshell. But I did want to talk to you about something really important. Now, if my friend Joey DeFee, who has a channel here, she does beautiful junk journals, and she's just so relaxing to listen to, and I love the processes that she goes through with them. But she did a survey, and on that survey she asked about people if they were totally satisfied with their work, if they were always pleased with their projects, or do they felt like they were always comparing their projects to other people, or if they just weren't happy with them at all. And y'all, it was a shocker. Although it shouldn't have been, over 75% of the people who did the survey indicated that they were not happy with their work, or they compared themselves to each other. And that is something in the crafty world that we need to stop doing. And to even drive that home further, my friend Carmen, hi Carmen, who is Elemental Design here on YouTube, she did her live Saturday night, and bless her heart, she took time to do a little tutorial about drawing faces and things like that. I do a lot of landscape paintings and abstract, and I don't do a lot of drawing faces. If you caught my live last Thursday night, I drew my first set of eyes on a butterfly. I wasn't exactly pleased with them, even though other people told me they were good. I don't know. But while she was doing it, she really kind of drove home a point. And that point is we're all unique. None of us are the same. If you look at my eyes aren't the same on both eyes. Our ears may not be symmetrically aligned. We're all different, and we're all unique, and so is our art. And I think that all of us who are artisans, and if you do crafts or whatever, you're an artist. You're an artist in whatever field that you feel more comfortable in. And we should all stop comparing ourselves and be happy with the unique art that we create. Sure, some of us are better than others, but it doesn't matter. Because when you put your all into whatever you're doing, it's going to be beautiful because you created it from the heart. And that's what really matters. So I'm just going to put this out here in our YouTube crafty community. Be happy with what you design or what you create. And know that it's a work from your heart. And when the work is from your heart, it's always beautiful. Thank you, my friends, for joining me for our Monday morning coffee. I hope that you will come back this week and join me for the rest of our videos. Don't forget to go over and check out my other channel. Like I said, those videos will be linked down below in the description box. And if you haven't joined again, please do so. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it really does help YouTube notice the channels that people like, and they share our videos a little bit more. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful last week, and I will see you in the video. Bye.